of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. We're talking in this set of videos more about citizenship, and in this particular case, the Section 322, we went over some specifics of how you can become a U.S. citizen through application of your parents by filing a certificate of citizenship under certain circumstances. And we went over how there needs to be certain physical presence requirements of the parents. We went over how there has to be a lawful admission into the United States and so forth. Well, there is a waiver of these requirements for children of persons serving in the armed forces. So it's a way that the United States recognizes the duty and sacrifice that the persons who are serving in armed forces makes, and makes it easier to apply for the certificate of citizenship in these particular in this particular category. So the waiver exempts a child of a member of the armed forces who is residing abroad with the service member from the temporary physical presence. So again, they don't have to be here temporarily on any particular legal admission, from lawful admission, meaning they don't have to have their green card, meaning the child, and maintenance of lawful status requirements, which means theoretically they could be out of status. The child, therefore, need not be a lawful permanent resident, as stated. Now, this section also exempts the requirement that the parent serving in the U.S. Armed Forces be physically present in the United States for 5 years under certain circumstances. So basically, if there's a way of filing for the certificate of citizenship, you need to look and see what waivers are available if the parent is serving in the armed forces. Now, the child must be under 18, of course, not 21, and not married. Now, adopted and legitimated children may also qualify under certain circumstances on this particular provision. And in this particular regard, it's a great way, again, of getting the certificate of citizenship without actually meeting the necessary requirements that would be normal or usual under other circumstances. Okay, more in the coming videos.